Hello guys. So now our obstacles are spawning at random height. So when we hit play, then we can see that our obstacles are spawning at random height, and we can jump by clicking the left mouse button. So currently the player is going through these obstacles. So we don't want this. We want that whenever our player collides with these obstacles, then the game should be over. So to manage the game over and pause game functionality, we will create a game manager object. So right click and create an empty game object, and we will rename it to game manager. So rename it to game manager. Now we will create a game manager script for this game object. So right click and create a new C# script and name it as game manager. Now double click on it. So now we will create a public variable for detecting the game over. So now we will write public static pool, and we will name it as is game over. So whenever our game is over, then this variable will be true, and at any other time this variable would be false. So whenever our game starts, this game over variable should be false. So let's say is game over to false. And now we can go into the obstacle script, and here we can make a onTriggerEnter 2D method, which is inbuilt method for detecting collisions in Unity. So type in onTriggerEnter 2D, and we will say if collision, which is this variable, this one. So dot compare tag, and we will say player. So what it want to say is that whenever our obstacle collides with any game object, and if that game object contains this tag player, then it will execute this if statement. So we will write is game over to true. So we can't directly access, we have to write game manager, which is the script that we just created, dot is game over to true. We can access this is game over variable like this because we have made it static in the game manager script. So we can access this variable by writing the script name and dot, then the variable name if that variable is static. Then here we will print a message. So let's say debug.log, and we will pass in the message that we want to print. So we will say game over. And now we can save this script and go back to the Unity. Now we have to assign this script to the game manager. So drag and drop the game manager script to the game manager game object. And now when we save this project, so hit Ctrl S, and if we hit play now, we can see whenever our player collides with the obstacle, the message will appear in the console that game is over. So in the next video we will create a game over screen so that we can pause the game whenever the player collides with the obstacle, and then we will ask the player if he wants to restart the game or if he wants to quit. So thank you for watching this video.